No matter how kind, calm, or grounded you are, you're going to meet people who treat you like you don't matter. It could be a coworker who talks over you, a friend who mocks your choices, a stranger who throws shade just because they can. The hard truth: you can't stop people from being disrespectful. But you can control how you respond, and that's where real strength lies. This isn't about snapping back or proving anyone wrong. This is about protecting your peace, owning your space, and making it clear, you don't owe anyone your energy just because they're loud enough to demand it. Here are 6 powerful ways to deal with people who don't respect you, without losing your cool or your self-respect. 1. Stay calm, that's where the power is. When someone disrespects you, your first reaction might be to snap. Say something sharp. Fire back. But that's exactly what they want. They want you rattled. They want control over your emotions. Instead, pause. Breathe. Look at the situation for what it is, a test. A test of your self-control. Your patience. Your strength. Remind yourself, this isn't about me. It's about them. Because someone else's lack of respect says more about their mindset than your worth. You don't have to dance for their approval. You don't have to prove anything. Control your reaction, and you control the situation. 2. Give them nothing, let silence do the work. Sometimes the most powerful move is no move at all. You don't always need a comeback. You don't need to defend yourself or explain. People who constantly disrespect others are usually fishing for your attention, your energy, your reaction. Don't give it to them. Stare. Say nothing. Let them feel the weight of their own words echo in the silence. That awkward silence. That's the sound of their power fading. You're not being passive. You're being intentional. Strategic. Unshakable. Asterisk silence is not weakness. It's control, asterisk. 3. Don't justify yourself. You don't owe anyone an explanation. How many times have you done something for yourself, only to be met with, why would you do that? Why'd you leave that job? Why didn't you come to the party? Why are you doing it that way? Here's a secret, you don't need to explain anything. If someone demands a reason, try this. Because I wanted to. That's it. That's the answer. You don't owe anyone your backstory, your plan, or your motives. Especially not people who are just looking for cracks in your confidence. You're allowed to choose what's best for you. Period. 4. Step back, not everyone deserves access to you. If someone keeps disrespecting you, ask yourself, why are they still in my life? You don't need to cut them off dramatically. You don't need to post about removing toxic people on social media. Just take a step back. Limit your contact. Redirect your energy. Reclaim your space. It doesn't matter if they're family, a longtime friend, or your boss, if they don't respect your boundaries, they don't deserve your energy. This isn't being cold. This is self-respect. Not everyone earns a front row seat to your life. 5. Let success do the talking. You don't need to clap back. You don't need to convince anyone to treat you better. Just do what you do, better than ever. Build. Grow. Improve. Work on your craft. Get stronger. Sharpen your mind. Let your discipline speak louder than their disrespect. Over time, they'll see that the person they tried to belittle has become someone they can't ignore. But by then, you won't even care what they think. Because you won't be doing it to prove them wrong. You'll be doing it because you know your worth. 6. Walk tall, your confidence is the message. There's something powerful about posture. About presence. About the way you carry yourself. People who disrespect others often hope to see you shrink. They want to watch you flinch. Don't give them that. Keep your head high. Look them in the eye. Smile if you want to, but don't let their words touch you. It doesn't matter if they see your value. You do. And when you act like you know who you are, when you walk with confidence, they get the message, loud and clear. I'm not here to impress you. I'm here to live fully. And if that makes you uncomfortable, that's not my problem. Your confidence is your armor. Wear it well. You can't force people to respect you. Some never will. But you can stop giving your time, your words, and your peace to people who haven't earned it. Stay calm. Stay grounded. Stand tall. Let silence be your shield. Let success be your statement. And let your boundaries be the line no one crosses. If this hit home, share it with someone who needs a reminder to stand tall and protect their peace. Drop a comment with your story. How did you handle someone who disrespected you? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more grounded advice on living strong, calm, and clear-headed, no matter who tries to shake you. You deserve respect. Start by giving it to yourself.